In this lecture, we are going to work on changing user role, and only admin can change the role. So for that, inside this user controller, below this, I will be writing comment admin changing user role. Okay, normal user cannot change their role, only admin can change the role of the user. So that is the reason we will only give access to admin to change user role. From here, I will copy this entire function, paste, remove this entire thing. I will change the function name. I will give update user role. Update user role. Inside this function, I'm just going to destructure role from request.body. Below this, I will be creating one variable. I will give the variable name as new user data. And inside this, I will be passing role. And for this, we have to assign the role which admin has given. If both are same, then only once I am going to pass. So in this way, I have created the object with the new role. Then below this, I will be creating variable user. I will be passing await user, and inside this we are having this find by ID and update. And inside this, first I'm just going to access logged in user ID, and that user is nothing but admin. Here I'm just going to access request.user.id. So for verifying auth, we have already accessed the ID. So using that ID, I'm just going to find the user. And inside this method, we will be passing three arguments. First, user ID, then updated data, copy and paste, and then finally, we are going to pass object of options. And inside this, I will write new true, which means whatever updated data we are having, that updated data will be returned in the response. And next, I will be passing run validators, and here I will be passing true. So again, it is going to run for the validation, and in this way, we are just going to change user role. And inside the response, whatever user we have updated, that user information will be passed. And also we will check if we are not having any user with this ID, whatever ID we have passed, if you are not able to find the user with that ID, then we are simply going to return this error, return. Next, I will be creating new instance, new handle error. Inside this, I will write user does not exist. And this entire thing, I will be wrapping in double quotes. And then I will be passing status code as 400. So if the user is not found, then we are simply going to throw this error. Now for updating user role also, I have to access user ID. So this complete route will be same. So what I will do directly, I'm just going to change the request. Here I will be writing dot put. Let me just bring this down. So this is my route inside which I am chaining getting single user detail and updating user information. Inside this entire thing will be same. Copy. Here I will be pasting. Separate by comma. Then I will copy this function, and inside this I'm going to paste. Remove last letter. Hit enter. This function will be imported. I will copy this exact same route. Here I will be pasting. Now I will just change the post. Now let me see which user is logged in. I will click on this login user, and we have logged in using hanamtest80@gmail.com. If I click on send, this user is admin. Let me show you. This user is admin. So if I just try to change the role of this user, then successfully I will be able to change. And for this user, role is nothing but user. I will come I will select raw, and inside this I will be passing role. Here I will be passing admin. If I click on send, you can see successfully admin is able to change the role. Now for this, again admin will be giving user. Click on send. Now this user is normal user, and successfully inside the response we are able to get updated data. Now what I will do, I will just come here, log out, click on send, successfully logged out. I will open login. Here I will be giving hanamteaching@gmail.com. Password is same. I will click on send. Now normal user is logged in. You can see role is nothing but user. I will come here. Now I'm just trying to update this. Here I will be giving admin. Now normal user is logged in, and normal user is trying to change the role of this user. If I click on send, I will have role user is not allowed to access this resource. Now I will click on this logout, click on send, successfully logged out. Now if I try to update, I will have authentication is missing. Please log in to continue. Okay, successfully we are able to update user role. If you want to change username, user email, then accordingly you can destructure the data and you can change user information. Now I will click on save. Inside this admin, I will write update role and then click on save. Now before proceeding further, inside this function, here, while updating, instead of passing this ID, what we have to access, whatever ID we are having inside this parameter, that ID we have to access. So here, just change this to request.params.id. Okay, in this way, we are just going to access the ID of the user for which we have to update the role. Previously, it was just taking the ID of the user, which user is logged in. I do not want that. Instead, for whichever user we want to update the role, that ID we have to access. So from parameter, in this way, we are going to access the ID.